So hi guys, please excuse me, I have lost my voice. It's got quite a high pitch if you like. But yeah, no, I was walking along because obviously today's filming day for Dawlish. And yeah, so I thought as I was walking along to the next view, I would just take a look at the sea quickly. So it's looking quite beautiful today. A little bit choppy, but not too bad. We're just going up there now, up just ahead to get our next view for when the next train comes. You know, and also just like here really, they've refitted all the wood and stuff due to the Dawlish storms. You know, it's looking quite good though, I think. But you can already see, look, that the under foundations aren't very good. You would have thought the platform would have been made of concrete and it's not. So yeah, right, so I will film the next train. So it really is a major operation here at Dawlish, and you know, it is, you know, you can just see like over there, like this, there's two rigs, and it really is just completely mental. You know, it just really is. It's been going on for, well, around 12 months now, and you know, it's pretty good. It's due to finish in spring, and yeah, and the seawall, which goes just like all the way up there, it will be open for business, to the locals, to the residents, to the tourists who like coming through here. And you can, if I can just zoom in down there, that concrete bit just there in front of the camera, just here, is where the line was actually cut off. Pretty mental. So you just saw a HST coming through there. That was on its way to Plymouth. And yeah, thank you.
So I had to go down today? Yeah, they can go that way anyway.